20 to 30K price segment and was the best-selling 5G phone in India. Then we introduced the Mi 11 series with the ultimate flagship, the Mi 11 Ultra and Mi 11X series. And all three products received great recognition from both the fans and price coming even close to what the super phone had to offer. Truly a timeless flagship. It ranked number 1 on the DxO ranking and brought a triple primary camera setup for the first time ever. Last year, we also ventured into lifestyle smartphone category and introduced two very gorgeous devices, Mi 11 Lite and Xiaomi 11 Lite NE 5G. Both these smartphones were a perfect amalgamation of fashion and technology. They were the slimmest, lightest, and perhaps the most gorgeous devices. The chain 120-watt hypercharge technology has made my life so much easier. So let's know more about this incredible product from Rahul. So over to you, Rahul.
Thank you for setting the context, Manu. Xiaomi fans, I'm Rahul and I'm a product marketing manager here at Xiaomi India. Today, I'm here to talk to you about India's fastest charging smartphone, Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G. A phone that charges 100% in just 15 minutes. While smartphones have come a long way, charging has been one area of improvement forever. Be it suboptimal or the risk of damaging the battery with repeated long hours of overnight charging. The struggle is real. One way to avoid the struggle is to plan. Plan when to charge your phone. Plan that 1 hour plus window when you might not need your phone. Plan to have your phone completely charged before stepping out. Plan to use it carefully to not drain the battery by afternoon on a long day. It takes immense planning to keep those batteries charged. But what if there was a better way? Introducing 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge technology with Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge 5G. With 120-watt Xiaomi Hypercharge technology, our Hypercharge revolution brings you a smartphone that can charge up to 100% in just 15 minutes. Yes, you heard it right, with the Xiaomi 11i Hypercharge. That means you will now be able to hold that charge for a much longer time through numerous activities. With a higher battery capacity and the fastest charging technology, it stands to reason that you will have questions about the safety aspect. Does it impact the battery longevity? Are there any potential trade-offs? Well, I'm here to tell you that while we have spent significant effort